Today on Tucker Time, Factor False Oreo Cookie Challenge.
Have you heard that Oreos get soggy in milk but not chocolate milk? I wanted to put this to the test. So I have 1% milk in one cup and 1% chocolate milk in the other cup. I have an Oreo on the end of these four, so it's easier to dunk. 30 seconds on the clock, please.
Go.
Submerged. Perfect.
Why is chocolate milk bubbling? More than
Maybe your bubbles coming out of the cookie. There's more bubbles. Oh.
This is so soggy. Only this isn't the soggy. I want to show how soggy it is. It's just like a sponge. But this part isn't really soggy. Out of the chocolate milk, only right here is soggy. The rest is fine.
Okay, let's eat this one. This is complete mud. This one.
Is there any crunch left to it?
This at least has a little more crunch to it. It's definitely not as soggy as the normal milk. I'm going to see what will happen if we do 20 seconds on the clock. 20 seconds on the clock, please.
Go.
Submerged. The chocolate milk one is still,
It's bubbling again.
but it's still floating. So I'm going to poke at them again. It's still really soggy. And this one, completely fine.
Oh, how soggy is the milk one?
See, it's really soggy, except
is.
this part.
Oh, it is soggy.
This part is the only non-soggy part. Okay. This one,
It's not soggy at all.
it's not soggy, only right here.
Is it crunchy? Or is it mud?
Mud. Again. Oh, this got that on there. Now this one, let's see.
I heard it crunch.
It's crunchy. In conclusion, this is indeed a fact. Now I'm going to tell you the science behind this.
You know why this happens? Chocolate milk has an emulsifier added to it. Emulsifiers allow substances to mix that usually don't want to mix. Think like water and oil. What happens when you mix oil and water together? The oil beads up. I'm going to give you a demonstration with the oil and water.
Wow.
No.
Now I'm going to carefully pour the water in.
It's okay. You're fast.
See how they still are separated? Now I'm going to shake it up and see what happens. What the? See how they're separating again? As this sits, the water and oil will keep separating. So if water and oil don't mix, how do you use it in baking? Simple. An egg. An egg is an emulsifier in baking. So you scramble it up. We're going to put the egg in the oil and water, and we're going to see if it helps it combine.
Real fast, okay. Okay, good.
Now I'm going to put the cap back on.
Put it on tight.
Now I'm going to mix it. I'm going to let that sit, and I'm going to come back in a couple of minutes to see if the oil and water separate, or if the egg helped hold it together. And 10 minutes later, still going strong. Chocolate milk has cocoa powder in it, and cocoa powder is hydrophobic, which again means it doesn't like mixing with water. I'm going to take a teaspoon of cocoa powder and dip it in and lift it up and show you. How did it do that? So amazing. Boom. So cool. Watch. Just like this, boom, and up the bubble. It just won't mix. So what do they do for chocolate milk to make it mix? The emulsifier they use is carrageenan. It's added to the milk to keep it mixed together. Plus, the emulsifying process makes the chocolate milk molecules thicker than the milk molecules, which makes it harder to seep into the cookie. It will eventually make the cookies soggy, just at a slower rate. I hope you enjoyed my video today on factorfalse Oreo cookie challenge. Try it on your own with different fat percentages and let me know what the results were. And remember, smash that like button, ring the bell, follow me on social media, and subscribe if you like my videos. Bye! Thanks for watching Tucker Time. I ate all the cookies.